Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Over the last week or so, I've been trying to help somebody with rounded corners on a hairline type font. And it might not be the most perfect scenario. We're going to take these two 5mm dots or 8mm, and we're going to select them both, and we're going to go to Effects and Blend. We need to blend them as much as we can, so I'm going to go 999. And I'm going to hit apply, and then I'm going to grab right here and go blend along new path, put on the path, and then blend along full path. And that gives him rounded corners. With the exception, it's a little rough, and there's nothing you can really do about that. Let's do the U, let's select this, apply, around new path, and it automatically did it. And now we're going to do the G and apply. So 999 is the most that I know that you can blend along full path. Now it's a little rough, but I think it'll get the job done. I mean, that's the shape of the letters. Now, the only other thing we could do, and we could try this, we could draw a rectangle, and let's get the Smart Fill tool. Let's use something besides black. And we're going to fill that in. Hopefully that'll work. And I'm going to nudge that out of the way. Don't really have to nudge it, I can move it. So we have the inside of that. Now we can take our Smart Fill tool, let's set another color. Let's use red and fill that in. And then move that red out of the way. And I'm going to left click, right click. Let's just see how rough it is. It's not too bad. I want to convert it to a hairline. He draws in something other than a hairline. I think that's going to work. Quite possibly. I thought I was going to have to see all the nodes. Let's try selecting all the nodes and go right here and let's type in 20. And yeah, I deformed it too much. Let's try 5. It's not bad. Pretty smooth. Got a couple ones that we could still remove maybe without distorting it. And I think we're good to go because once you fill that in with black, that's my suggestion, because this way everything is rounded. I mean, not only the edges, but the corners of everything. And I think you could do that with every letter. I still have not figured out why he has that space on the O, but it would do the same thing. Just select and hit apply, blend along full path, get on the path, blend, and see, watch this, blend along full path, and it goes to the full path. And it's pretty smooth. Anyway, I hope that's the golden sword, or whatever you'd want to call it, the answer to what he's trying to do, because he's got to do a lot. I deleted what he's trying to do, but I think that'll get you to a good starting point. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.